Larry's Giant Subs.
We'll try some salt.
New York style submarine sandwiches. Look at this place. We're in Daytona Beach, guys. We just found this place. What did you say? Turn around and tell the camera. Yeah, gorilla. Look at this, all freshly made. Look at the meats, Ben. The cheeses. I knew this was gonna be a yummy place.
Look at the bird on him. Look at the bird.
Yeah. Look at the menu. Wow. They got a giant menu here, folks. We'll try and skip the line down on the Larry's up. What is that? Lobster.
Hey!
Larry's Subs. All right, let's go see the menu. And now that I've given you guys a tour, look, nice to meet you. The real Philadelphia cheesesteak, that looks good. Let me see a menu. So, what do you recommend? What's the best sub here?
The Italian big one.
The what?
Italian big one.
Italian big one?
One up in the pitcher.
Oh, okay. The Italian big one, premium ham.
You get 2 types of ham, 2 types of salami, and pepperoni.
Okay, I'll do one of those.
8 inch or 12.
12. And how?
Tomato onion.
Yes.
Mayonnaise, mustard, Italian.
Yes.
Anything else?
Also how about the Philly cheesesteak?
8 inch or 12.
12.
Salted onion provolone cheese.
Yes.
Anything else?
I just that hot melted out. Look at that. Looks delicious. Wow. You guys want to store your sub so it's not soggy? They have Sub Safe. All right, guys, so we're here with the owner, Brian, of
Larry Giant Subs
Larry's Giant Subs.
in Daytona Beach.
Daytona Beach, Florida. How long have you been in business?
30 years.
Wow. What's up with the 20 million subs?
That was with the franchise. We sold 20 million subs within so many years.
How many of these are there now?
Probably about 30 or 40.
30 or 40.
Yeah, we're one of the oldest original owner-operator franchises of Larry Giant Subs
Cool.
since
What
1991.
makes you unique?
We got fresh food. We slice everything fresh every day, all day. We got great materials and supplies. We use really good tomatoes. Everything is fresh. Great employees, our friends and family. Customers are just, outrageous.
Yeah, that looks really yummy what's coming out of that oven. That's like cooked fresh. Look at that, guys.
Steak and cheese, yep.
That's the steak and cheese I just ordered.
Yep.
You guys can see that.
Sorry.
We can't wait to try it.
All right, my family and I have been around for 30 years. My brother runs the Ormond Beach one on A1A in Granada. And my mom helps out. My dad used to help us, and grandma, my sister. So we've just been family owned and operated for all those years.
Cool. I look forward to sinking my teeth into one of those sandwiches.
All right, thank you for coming in and trying us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Are you ready?
Yeah, we have a giant sub.
What's that? That's not a sub. Oh, there it is. Look at that. Oh my God. You're gonna eat all that? Look. That looks yummy. Look what's over here, guys. Philly cheesesteak.
I have a cheesesteak.
Yeah. Go ahead. First bite.
First bite for me.
First bite for you? Okay, come around and get a first bite.
No, I don't want to.
Yeah.
Oh, it's too big.
Yum.
That's what she said.
Yeah. Mommy. Daddy, I want some.
How is it?
I want it.
It's
A
good.
hot dog. Hot dog. Daddy.
How good?
Daddy.
You try because
No, no, no.
I'm-
no. You have to try this one first.
I'm not the people that
Good.
eating soup all the time is not my favorite thing. The smoke.
Okay, the bear.
That's why we sitting here and burn an eye because I can see they was frying the onion.
Free. Daddy, daddy.
Which one you like better? Oh, you're gonna steal my steak?
Hey, where's my corn dog? I'm eating it.
This one is super delicious. Try this one. This one is yummy.
No.
It's really yummy. Okay, more for me then.
Hey, that was my sub, you know. All right, guys, we're gonna scarf them down. Oh my God, this is delicious. Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. Go for it. It's really good.
This is better than sleeping with my wife.
It's called, what's it called? Dirty Giant.
Larry's
Larry.
Giant Subs.
Larry Giant sub guy is delicious. Include the cheese steak.
I got the same one, didn't I?
Is it good?
Yeah.
Bite. Show them a bite. Big bite. No seafood. Is it good? Yeah. Okay guys, we're gonna enjoy our lunch and
Turn the camera around and talk to them in Thai.
Have a good one, guys.
แซนด์วิชอร่อยมากๆค่ะ อันนี้ก็คือไอเนื้อสเต็กนะคะไอเนื้อชีสกับชีสแล้วก็ขนมปังอร่อยมากๆ แล้วก็ดู
Mommy, mommy.
What are you doing? Say say สวัสดีครับ Say ซา Say ซา Hurry up no he
I see you.
คนนี้เขาจะเป็นคนขี้อาย Say สวัสดีครับ No, speak normal. Speak normal. Can you say ซา Say สวัสดีค่ะ Hurry up Say สวัสดีค่ะ
Just give her the tongue. Go like this.
You try
Go like this.
You try
Like that.
Can you show how you count the number in Thai? Okay guys, we finished with our soup. It's delicious. Still have a corn dog left from the kid and it's an amazing plate. They do a 3 foot long. They do a 3 foot soup is about $70, $69.99 and they do a 6 foot tall long soup is $120. So it's, I think it's a good price. It's really good. You guys should come here to Larry Giant Soup. What it's called?
Look at that. They're making it fresh in the window. You see
Yeah. He's making cutting the lettuce.
that? Cutting the lettuce fresh.
Okay, so don't forget to come here. Okay guys, so if you come here to Daytona Beach, don't forget to stop at Larry Giant Soup at I don't know, here somewhere in Daytona Beach. So see you on the next video, and don't forget to click subscribe. Oh, we will
Here,
put
Ormond Beach. Here, I got it right here. There's the phone number and the address right there.
we will put the address and the location in our video and the comment, and leave the comment and we will reply to you. And don't forget to click subscribe and give us a thumb up. See you on the next video. Bye.